How to sort pandas data frame from one column. I have a data frame like this. As you can see, months are not in calendar order. So I created a second column to get the month number corresponding to each month, 1 to 12. From there, how can I sort this data frame according to calendar months order?
Use sort underscore values to sort the DF by specific column's values. If you want to sort by two columns, pass a list of column labels to sort underscore values with the column labels ordered according to sort priority. If you use df.sort underscore values to 0, the result would be sorted by column 2 then column 0. Granted, this does not really make sense for this example because each value in df2 is unique.
I tried the solutions above and I do not achieve results, so I found a different solution that works for me. The ascending equals false is to order the data frame in descending order, by default it is true. I am using Python 3.6.6 and pandas 0.23.4 versions. You can see more details in pandas documentation here.
Using column name worked for me.
Pandas sort underscore values does the work. There are various parameters one can pass, such as ascending, bool or list of bool. Sort ascending versus descending. Specify list for multiple sort orders. If this is a list of bools, must match the length of the by. As the default is ascending, and ops goal is to sort ascending, one doesn't need to specify that parameter. See the last note below for the way to solve descending, so one can use one of the following ways. Performing the operation in place, and keeping the same variable name. This requires one to pass in place equals true as follows. If doing the operation in place is not a requirement, one can assign the change, sort, to a variable with the same name of the original data frame, df as. With a different name, such as df underscore new, as. All this previous operations would give the following output. Finally, one can reset the index with pandas.dataframe.reset underscore index to get the following. A one-liner that sorts ascending, and resets the index would be as follows. Notes. If one is not doing the operation in place, forgetting the steps mentioned above may lead one, as this user, to not be able to get the expected result. There are strong opinions on using in place. For that, one might want to read this. One is assuming that the column 2 is not a string. If it is, one will have to convert it. Using pandas.to_numeric. Using pandas.series.astype. If one wants in descending order, one needs to pass ascending equals false as.